Hey, welcome back to the Stock State everyone, where we learn how to swing trade with risk management. And in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about TIGR, TIGR, as well as FUTU Stock, okay, and what did I do to swing trade these companies last week. And through this video, okay, I hope that you can learn something from this, as well as what are thought processes that run through my mind during these trades, and gain another perspective of how to approach swing trading. Okay, and I think that this video will be very, very useful to you because it kind of reflects like a real time, what I'm thinking through, and as well as what you could be doing to approach and minimize your losses and potentially save you some money. And that's my goal over here in this channel, right? Risk management, saving money, as well as maximizing your gains while taking the lesser risk as possible. Okay, we're not going for the big gains here. We are trying to minimize our losses and be a long-term consistent swing trader. And so if you're interested in this kind of content, right, subscribe to my channel, okay, smash the thumbs up button, okay, and let's jump straight into the video itself. Hey, how have you been? Welcome to the live trading session by me, the Stock Estate. Okay, so today is a Thursday. And what happened was today, it was kind of a mixed signals kind of day. You can see over here that the S&P is kind of up, Dow is kind of up, Nasdaq's kind of up, but in certain sectors, it is actually down quite a bit. As you can see, the first stock over here is FUTU, as well as TIGR, TIGR Brokers, right? You can see today itself, okay, it's just been a sell-off all the way, okay? When I was looking at it just now, right, it was actually at $19+, and all the way now it's down almost 7%, okay? This is a huge downward move for this company. So on such a green day, right, we need to look at advantages or any kinds of, good things or buy the dip situations in other sectors, which is quite bullish. So I was looking at the sector analysis. I do my analysis, right? And I see financials have been dipping a little bit and have a little bit more space to run to its all-time highs. Okay, compared to all the other sectors which are really like at its all-time highs, right? So two companies that are shortlisted that which are in the financial sector are TIGR as well as FUTU. And the thing is, these two companies have awesome growth, awesome earnings as well. They have good sales revenue. So they are pretty strong companies. But the thing is, they are a little overvalued. But again, when you're swing trading these kind of companies, these are just kind of one-night stands. Okay, you have no kind of emotional attachments with this company whatsoever. So again, we want to find a quick exit point, entry point, and take our swing trade. So I'm looking at FUTU and TIGR, and I'm going to run through you my step-by-step thought process when I'm looking through these companies and whether I should enter or not. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour time frame right now is 10:58. Okay, and my time over here is at night, so I'm in my pajamas, so that's why I'm not showing my face. So yeah, okay, I'm just doing this video to help you guys. Okay, but I don't want to show myself in my pajamas. All right, so FUTU, first stock. Okay, so looking at the 1 minute time frame, okay, it went up to a high of 157, just been dipping down all the way. Okay, all the way. And have yet to found a bottom. Okay, you look at the 1 day time frame, right? Okay, it's actually consolidating in this tight area over here. Okay, let me just draw it out. Okay, you can see that it's consolidating, right? This tight area over here. This tight area over here has been consolidation. Okay, good consolidation. Okay, every time it keep consolidating in this area, then you might ask me, right? Hey, is it good to buy over here? Okay, so this is how I'm going to think it through, right? Let me just clear my drawings. So first one, I'm looking at it, it's supported by the 50 moving average. Okay, not bad. Supporting by the 50 moving average as well as this line over here, right? Which acts as the support over here. Okay, I can see at 139, 141, right? It's a pretty good support level for TIGR, TIGR Brokers, right? But the risk to reward ratio, if I enter it right at this point, right, okay, it doesn't offer a really good risk to reward ratio. So, okay, after marking this major support resistance area, let me just mark out the entire and the next area, right? The next area of support of resistance, I can see it's over here. Okay, over here. Okay, so again, when we look at the 1 day time frame, we want to mark out some major support and resistance area. Don't have to be too specific, but just something that you reference to when you go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm going to the 1 hour time frame right now. 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, so over here, right, you can see that bam. Okay, down to the downside over here, right? So you see this red candle down to this area of supposed support, might be support, right? So would you want to buy in at this region? You may think that, hey, no, I can swing it up to the upside over here, right? Would you want to buy at this region? Okay, I'll give you a quick second to think about it. 3, 2, 1, no. Okay, again, as a swing trader, you have to be a very picky guy. You have to be a very, very, risk adverse kind of guy, and you might always think of the worst case scenario. Okay, you can see over here that although it's consolidating near the bottom over here, right? Okay, there's not a lot of buyers stepping in to push the price up. So again, it's struggling at this area, and most likely, from what I can see, right, I will only consider this a buy or a very, very nice area to step in the price, right, when it reaches this support level of $141. Okay, so again, I'll set an alert. Okay, when this price goes to this around this area. Otherwise, I'm not going to be interested. Okay, it's like you go to a supermarket, right? You'd be like, okay, this normal price for this stack of bananas, right? It's like, oh, it's always been $2. Okay, but you know that it's always having a sale at one point in time, right? At 150, right? So you'll be like, okay, I'm going to wait for it to have a sale first before I buy in. Okay, you know it's a good product, but you got to wait for a little bit more. So same thing as this. Okay, you got to be patient and wait for a little bit more. So I'll probably send an alert, right, when the price over here goes around 143, then I'll be like, okay, I'll be more interested to get into this price. But for now, okay, you will not want, okay, even if it shows a nice little green bounce over here, right, it might be just a false breakout. So again, you might do something like this. It might go up a little bit like this. Then you feel, oh, it's confirmation, right? And bam, all the way down here. Because this level over here is not really a strong support level. Okay, I can see that a strong support level would be 141. Okay, this is not an established support level. Okay, so the thing is what happens to very new traders, right? Including this is a mistake that I made in the past as well. That's why I know it quite well, right? So we always lie to ourselves and we say that, hey, this is a established. Okay, let me just move it up. Okay, you'll be like, oh, this is a good. We establish our own support resistance. Like, see, oh, there's so many touch points, right? Oh, this is the best. This is a support resistance level. No, okay, don't lie to yourself when it comes to support resistance. So again, take the more conservative approach. Go move it a little bit downwards. Okay, maybe around here, 142, 141. If it goes there, then you might want to take a trade. And another good thing is you can see that this 100 moving average is going to meet here and it's going to support this area as well. So again, when it goes to 140, then it's actually quite a bullish sign for me to at least step in to enter. So that is for FUTU. Okay, so again, even if you see a nice bullish candle up here, right? Okay, it might be a fake out to go to the downside again. So be very, very cheap, be very, very conservative. Okay, TIGR brokers. Oh, TIGR. All right, the sell-off continues, right? So you can see that the sell-off is continuing all the way here. So we'll look at a 1 day time frame. Okay, the thing is very similar to a FUTU as well, because both of them are in the same sector. Same sector companies tend to do roughly the same thing. Okay, you can play this as a channel as well if you want to play this as a channel. Okay, so what is a channel, right? A channel can be something like this. You might want to play channel, but honestly, this is a very risky channel to play. You could, but not super well done. Okay, so again, it's quite similar as well, but you can play our drawings, right? Okay, so let's establish the main support resistance level, right? Okay, one major support level is I can see it's here. Okay, resistance level, very established one, I think is around here as well. Okay, I'll just reference it to the top over here, the area over $20. Okay, so now let's go to the 1 hour time frame and just take a look at what's going on. Okay, so you can see that it has a nice track record of always running up massively, then dumping quite heavily to the downside. Okay, you can see over here, okay, this is a prime example. Okay, let me just give you a nice little area. Okay, I want you to take a look at this area. Okay, this area. Okay, done. Okay, let me clear my drawings. Okay, so this area, right, it's a very similar thing to what I was talking about. Okay, so you see, dumped all the way to even a moving average. Okay, a moving average over here. See, and it is supported by, in a sense, a moving average, right? But again, when you play overreaction plays, you always want to play in a established support and resistance. So the support resistance area is where? Is this area, right? Right, it's not here. This is not a support resistance area. Okay, so again, it seems to it fake out. Oh, it's going up. It's a confirmation. Is it? Not really. Okay, then bam to the downside. Okay, then it consolidated again and it goes up again. So you see, although it didn't touch the bottom over here, it kind of almost touched it, right? But again, you can have a little bit of room to run. Okay, so again, you might not want to wait directly for all of the price movement to go into the support level before taking a position. You want to take a small position over here. So you can see, right? This is what I mean by fake out. So here, faked out down to the downside. So that's why I didn't want you guys to blindly follow. So again, this may be, you think, oh, this is a support level, right? Maybe, but for me, right, I'll be a little bit more conservative. Okay, again, the support level that I'll be using, right, is most likely this one. Okay, this one. Okay, honestly, here might be a decent one as well. So again, around this area, okay, you can see, right, around the $17.67, $17.59, I'll be quite interested, to start a small position, okay, and maybe add on a little bit if it dips further. Okay, and again, we want to see what. Okay, so in the case, let me just draw it out for you. Okay, in the case that it happens that it bam to the downside over here, right? But if immediately it shows some kind of a green candle, right, or engulfing candle, so this candle is like green, right, and a nice candle over here, which shows that, oh, rejection, right, then maybe I want to take a position over here to swing it all the way to the upside over here. Okay, so you can see then if this happens, right, it will be a $18.35 trade to a $21. So that's a decent 15% trade-ish. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's a 20% trade. Okay, that's decent. Okay, so again, if you're able to swing this, okay, although it doesn't look like much, right, but this is actually a 20% profit. So again, waiting patiently is the name of the game here. Okay, you don't have to take a position immediately, because if you do that, okay, you are just setting yourself for failure. But then you'll be like, I'm frustrated. Okay, patience is as important as a lot of things when it comes to swing trading. Okay, so this is some of the things that I think through when I am swing trading my companies, swing trading my stocks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, no face video. Okay, you want to see my face, you can go to my top 3 swing trade stocks video. I put my face there all the time. Yeah, my handsome face. But okay, jokes aside, right? So I hope you have a good weekend ahead, and I shall see you again in the next video. Okay, do subscribe to the channel, okay, and drop a comment below if you like this kind of content. And stock stay out.